Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up 1031 exchanges using IPX 1031 step by step clearly. To begin your 1031 exchange using IPX 1031, gather all relevant property information. Identify the property you are selling, known as the relinquished property. Next, confirm if the property qualifies for a 1031 exchange. Consult with a qualified intermediary like IPX 1031. Contact IPX 1031 to set up your account and initiate the exchange process. Once established, sign the engagement agreement. After signing, prepare to list your relinquished property for sale. Put the property on the market and accept a suitable buyer's offer. Notify IPX 1031 about the accepted offer to facilitate the exchange. Once the sale closes, your cash proceeds will be held by IPX 1031. Begin the search for a suitable replacement property. Identify potential replacement properties within the 45-day identification period. Ensure the replacement property meets the 1031 exchange guidelines. Notify IPX 1031 of the selected replacement property within the timeframe. Once you have executed a purchase agreement, inform IPX 1031 about the acquisition. Coordinate with IPX 1031 to facilitate the transfer of funds for purchasing the replacement property. Complete the transaction for the replacement property within 180 days of selling the relinquished property. Your IPX 1031 account will manage the transaction details and ensure compliance. Finally, celebrate your successful 1031 exchange with potential tax deferral achieved. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.